Okay, so here we go. This is a whole number divided by a unit fraction. Okay, so I already set us up. What we did here was we took our whole number, the first number, and instead of dividing by 1/3, we're going to create an equal expression and multiply by 1/3's reciprocal, right? And we know this arrow reminds us that we can do that and still get the same answer, okay? Another thing we have to remember is in expressions with fractions and whole numbers, we're multiplying, we need to represent all numbers as fractions. We didn't change the value of 5 wholes, we just gave it a denominator of 1, and now we can multiply across our numerators and our denominators. So my expression is equivalent to 15, 5 times 3, over 1, or 15 wholes, okay? So what students can do to just help remember it once they understand a little more about what they're doing, right? A couple practice problems let them kind of digest it. Then you can use keep, change, flip, just to get confidence. I don't like starting with this because in 6th grade, reciprocal is a big deal. And they're in 5th grade, and that word, they just have a really tough time understanding it. So this to me takes away from their ability to be prepared for really the way it's supposed to be taught next year. But keep, change, flip, you know, it's something that can kind of just, it's a little backup, right? So keeping, right? We kept the first number. We kept it the same. We didn't change the value even when we put a denominator of 1. Changed, we changed the operation from division to multiplication. And that flip word is our reciprocal part of the whole process. And that's why that arrow is really friendly. I like that. 1/3, right? We flipped it to create the reciprocal, and then we multiplied, okay? Last little piece, like to tell students when we have a whole number and we divide it by a unit fraction, the pattern is we should end up, if we did our work correctly, with a bigger whole number. So they can even label stuff as a reminder, W divided by F equals W, okay?